Dear subscribers, they will tell you so how to install Windows on your Mac. So for doing that, let's first thing you just need to remove your previous disk. So after I just create new partition, here you can see it. For this space you can also just tap on create, and after it will you just need to write how many gigabytes you want to create new disk. So in my situation, I also want to use this disk for Windows and this one for also for Mac. So I will install Mac after a format for Mac and just install Mac here. So now you just need to choose this one new disk you create, and after you just need to tap on format. So now you just need to wait until it will format this disk. And now just tap on next. So now you just need to wait until Windows will install all of the files on your Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.